Guys, nothing is back again, and this time they have done something that no other brand has dared to try. Imagine having a microphone not just in your earbuds but inside the charging case itself. Yes, the brand new Nothing Ear 3 comes with a super mic built right into the case, promotion crystal clear call even in the noise environment. But that's just the beginning where we're talking powerful 45 decibel adaptive ANC LDSC support, bone connectivity voice pickup, and up to 38 hours of playback. Now let's talk about the earbuds themselves. Each earbuds is equipped with 3-direction mic and bone connection voice pickup unit, so your voice sounds natural and accurate during the call. Plus, Nothing AI-driven noise cancellation reduces with noise by up to 25 decibel. On the active noise cancellation side, the Ear 3 features real-time adaptive ANC that block up to 45 decibel of sound. The system is smart enough to adjust itself every 600 milliseconds to your environment and even compensate for earbuds fit every 1875 milliseconds. Now, let's talk about the sound quality. Ear 3 comes with upgraded 12 mm dynamic driven feature and pattern diagram. Compared to its predecessor, bass is boosted by 4 to 6 decibel, treble is super by 4 decibel, and mid are richer. Connectivity is also top notch. With Bluetooth 5.4, you get LDSC support for high resolution audio streaming and latency under 120 milliseconds. That's good news for gamer. Pairing is effortless to faster pair for Android, switch pair for Windows, and of course full iOS compatibility. Battery life, you looking at up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge, and with the case up to 38 hours total. The case supports wireless charging. It built with 100% recycled aluminum and both side buds and the case carrying an IP54 rate, so light rain are no problem. Now for the most important part of the price. The Nothing Ear 3 has launched globally at $179 in the US. So guys, what do you think about the Noise Ear 3? Drop your thought in comments below, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Phone Gear.